Okay, what's up guys? I just filled up my car with gas and I didn't think I was gonna make it to the gas station because when it says just low on my car, not how many miles I have until empty, it means it's pretty low. But we're going to a pond right now that usually produces. We're only gonna be there for a little while and then we're gonna head back to my house, load up the car with the kayaks and then try to finish off this challenge because I'm only gonna have 30 minutes at this pond and I don't think we can complete it in 30 minutes. The water temp is probably freezing. We had snow yesterday, so today's gonna be definitely a difficult day for fishing, but we're gonna make it happen for you guys. So pretty much the game plan is I'm going to be doing the white lure challenge, only white baits. And usually that white baits are always really good for pre-spawn, but these bass are just not on that pre-spawn just yet. But that's okay. So it's just gonna make it more of a challenge, which is always fun. So only white lures. I'll show you guys all the baits that I have on me. I didn't bring anything else except for white lures and white baits. So I wouldn't be like, ooh, maybe I want to throw this. I can't do that, only white baits. But yeah, so we have about 30 minutes at this pond, then we gotta drive home, pick up the kayaks, and then I'm going fishing with my little buddy Liam. He's 12 years old, he's a really great kid. So we're gonna be fishing with him, but I can't show him on camera. I just gotta respect his parents' rules. So you guys won't be able to see him, but he will be there with me when we go kayak fishing. Stay tuned and let's hope we get some good fish today. All right, so I did the pink lure challenge. So white lure challenge. We have the 10,000 fish, the Shimmer Swimmer by Ketchco. Hard to pronounce that one. And then we got the 10,000 fish Shikoshi bed, as well as the Shimmer Shad by 10,000 fish by the Ketchco. And then last but not least, we have the Zinger. This is a bait that I've been using a lot lately. I think I'm gonna start off with this bad boy. I'm gonna put this on a drop shot and see how it goes. And before I get any comments, yes, I'm throwing a drop shot on my bait casting setup. It happens, okay? We all come to this point in life where we have to do it. This thing just looks incredible in the water. Just wow. You outdid yourself, Ketchco. You outdid yourself. I wasn't lying. See, it snowed the other day. There's still snow. Not much, but I've always wondered if there was fish down here. Imagine, like if a fish just got trapped in that deep pocket right there. All right, well, sadly this pond did not produce. So besides of bringing you guys along in the whole loading the kayaks, taking the kayaks off, picking up Liam and going to the next pond, let's cut it to the next clip of us actually fishing the next spot. And we are magically at the pond. So I only have this paddle because my dad lost my paddle, so we only have one. So I split this with Liam. So Liam has one paddle and I have the other. So all right, we're still using this bait right here, first one that we tied on. I got one. My drag slipped like crazy. I didn't even set it. There we go. There we go. Come here. Oh, he just came off. He just popped off. That sucks. Oh, okay. Well, we know that they're biting. That was a good, maybe 2-pounder, but it happens. It happens. What's up, Liam? Yeah, he escaped. Nothing over there? Did he escape? This water is so clear. A goose? Why would you want to catch a goose? I'm pretty sure that's illegal to hook onto one purposely. Sounds pretty illegal. You have one? Oh, okay. Okay, we're coming. This is so hard to get anywhere fast with this paddle. You got him? Bring him in. Bring him into you. Oh, that's a good fish, bud. That's a really, really, really good fish. Holy crap, that's a really good fish. Oh my God, Liam, you gotta grab him. You gotta grab him. No. Ah, I'm going as fast as I can. That's a big fish. Oh my God, that thing is really big. Really, really, really big. It's not easy. Okay, okay. Oh my God, Liam, that's a big fish. No, 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 no. Let him line out, let him line out, let him line out. No, I lost my paddle. Holy crap. Keep letting line out. Open up your bail.
I did.
Oh my God. Okay, hold on. Wow, that's a really good fish, man. This is definitely your biggest bass you've ever caught.
No way.
Oh yeah. 100%.
It's a decent sized one though.
Yeah, this is a really good fish. How long did you fight him for? That looked like a while.
30 seconds.
30.
I mean, I let it run. 3.
I think he might just push 3 pounds.
Hit the 3.
Oh yeah, man. It just locked. 311. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a good fish.
Let's go, boy.
Yeah.
That's a 1-0 right there.
Damn. I'm gonna give him a drink of water. Do you want a picture with him? You want to hold him?
Will it hurt?
Yeah.
Will it hurt?
A little bit. His teeth are a little sharp.
Really?
Yeah.
It's annoying as hell.
Put your finger in his mouth though. Okay, you want me just to release him?
Yeah, sure.
Liam can't hold this fish. One last look at this butte.
I'm gonna kiss it. Can I kiss it?
Sure.
I have coronavirus.
Wow. Good fish. I'm proud of you.
Gracias, amiga.
Ready? Whenever you're ready.
I'm touching the nose.
You want to touch your
now
nose?
we can go.
Always rub their nose goodbye before they kick off. Wish them good luck. There she goes. Wow, this water's clear. Good job. Let's give this spinnerbait a shot. What'd you say to my dad?
We had a conversation.
Really? Oh, I just caught a big fish.
Actually, that's what happened.
Well, we got the paddle back. Got one. Oh my God. That was insane. I hope you guys just saw that. I hope you guys just saw that. Hold on, come here. I was reeling in as fast as I possibly could because it was like a bad cast and I really wanted to cast at the other bank. And he came up and just absolutely annihilated it. That was crazy. Wow. Okay, spinnerbait finally knocked off. Not a bad fish, but can't complain. Finally got a bait down. Ooh, okay. Whenever you're ready. There he goes. Skedaddle. Okay, so spinnerbait down. Now we gotta retie and put a drop shot back on. About like 20 more minutes. In like 10 minutes.
What is that? Is that yours?
What?
The bag?
Now is that your bag? Well, that's not my bag over there.
Million.
Why would Bill's gate? Why would his bag be right there? Ugh, all right, fine. Go see what's inside. Just don't touch anything in the bag.
Try not to.
If you're gonna touch the bag, like empty it out so you don't touch what's inside. Because I don't know, anything could be in there. So I could have ran a mile by the time you got out of your kayak. A marathon. Ugh.
Or
No, that's not my bag. You can see what's in it.
just dump it out.
Yeah, just dump it out.
That's a million, eh?
There isn't gonna be like money. Okay.
A tie-dye shirt?
I can't show your face, so. Yeah, that's like a tie-dye shirt.
Oh, we're rich! We're rich!
It's just a.
What is that?
It's a match. The light stuff. It's just a bag.
We got a dime.
Why would you drop the dime?
What is this?
Don't touch that. Don't touch that.
What is it? Tell me.
I can't,
Why?
because it's not something good. Okay, so.
Oh, something.
Oh,
We have a public house?
Those are matches.
You sure?
Yeah, those are matches. Give me the, yeah, that's definitely matches. No, give me the lighter. Give me the lighter. Why is there just a random Nerf bullet? Like, that's such a weird mixture of stuff.
How do I turn it on?
No, give me the lighter. I don't know. Let's see if it's working. There's literally spider web in it.
Burn the shirt!
No, I'm not gonna. The shirt is soaking wet.
Oh, I want to see what happens. Please, can you burn something?
No.
Why?
I wonder if there's anything in this pocket. No, nothing else. Oh, that's really weird. Everything's soaking wet in here too because it like snowed and rained. That's weird. I don't know. Yeah, the video is gonna be finding a bag. Oh my god, crazy fishing day. Finding a bag with forbidden items. That's a good one.
No! It looks like it would hurt. The fish.
No, this is just a bungee cord.
A bungee cord, oh.
Oh, that's a really small bungee cord. Look at that. What would you even use that for? I'm gonna keep it, honestly.